Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Frigidaire's air conditioner not cooling. As you can see, I am in the official website of Reddit, where the people provide their opinions and reviews about a specific problem. As you can see, the people provide their reviews about this specific problem. Is the compressor actually getting voltage at any point? Can you hear the unit click at the old while it is running? If so, the controller is firing the relay to hit the capacitor and start the compressor, but voltage is not getting there for some reason. If it is not even attempting to start the compressor and the thermostat is working properly, it is probably the controller. Try different modes. People says that I look at the specification and this model runs at 230 volts. I assume that's standard where you are and that's what you are giving it. Is it possible, since you got it used, that the previous owner had it drug up to run it at a different voltage? The another people says that you are right. The house has a NEMA 615 receptacle, so I assume it was putting out 240 volt. Wrong assumption. 150 only. Who does that? So read the independent reviews carefully. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.